Welcome back. So in this last lecture, I'm going to show you a simple shortcut to read the Excel files or CSV files. So the one way is using that plugin. That's the standard way of doing it. But if you have a requirement that if your goal is to just see if the content is present in the Excel or CSV files, instead of verifying if it is coming under actual column. Okay, so the plugins what I shown you here is exactly telling you that if that is coming in the second row under the B column, right? Now let me open one as a sample. So if you look at here, now we are having validation that Adidas original product name, whatever you have here, is coming under the B column. So let's say if it comes somewhere here, your test will fail, right? We are exactly verifying that position also. But if your goal is to just check if that product name is present in this Excel sheet, if you are not really bothered about which position it is, then there is one simple straightforward process in Cypress. So for that, there is something called cy.readFile, guys. readFile is a method where it will read the file from the location. So this is the path of the location where the downloaded file will be there. Okay, so it reads from there. So what it does is it reads the file and it yields a text. That means the whole content, whatever it reads from that Excel file or CSV file, whatever file it is, XML file, anything, all that content present in that XML, JSON or Excel files, it will convert it into text. Okay, so that will yield like this dot function text. So basically this method returns the content present in that file, no matter what kind of file it is. So all that content you have here now in the text variable, it stores everything. Now here you can simply write assertion like this: expect that content, the whole text here. Let me paste the whole text what you are getting. In that text, verify in this text if it includes product name. Simple. So what it does, so it will scan the whole text and it will check if that product name is there. So same thing we did here also, but again we did a lot of plugins, tasks, and finally we did this. And this is simple way of doing it. You might get angry, then why did you not show this first? If I show you this first, you will ignore understanding all the remaining concepts. But still, this is not trustworthy. I don't know, some clients or some of your superior managers might not agree to just validate the content inside the Excel. Some might have a specific requirement that verify that content is coming under the product name only. If that is your requirement, this does not work. Okay, you have to carefully go by like plugin and traverse the path. But if your goal is to just see if the text is present somewhere in the file, then cy.readFile. readFile is direct command available in the Cypress level only. Okay, and this readFile you can write here. Don't worry. People might think, okay, this is again reading the file. Can this be declared here? Yes, because this is Cypress native command. Obviously, they will have all that shitty stuff written to support it in your test case, right? So you can simply read the file and all the file will be converted into text and you can check. It's just not for Excel, guys. Okay, same code, go and place it in your CSV also. Here also you can place. Read the file from the path and then that CSV content will be read and you can get the answer like that. So let's see. Let me save this. So this time there is another assertion written. So this also should pass. So this is like a shortcut, or if you just need to know whether content is present, you can directly use that. Where is our Cypress? Here it is. You see, oh, it's already done. It's very fast, man. See, all the content it yielded and assertion passed. You see, in the whole content somewhere that product name is there. That's all it cares for. It's only partial text is displayed here, but whole text is, it scans everywhere and in that it found, so assertion passed. Now let's do one thing. I'll put product, let me put some random, check this. This is present? No. your test should fail at this assertion saying, when I converted the whole Excel file into content, I did not find this word. In one of the project, what we have, what one of our consultant done recently, they just mind of checking the text present or not. That's all. They really don't care about which column. So they directly, we suggested to use this. It was quick 1 minute work, verifying Excel content using Cypress. You see, test is failed now. Why? Because you gave some random text which it did not find on conversion. Got it? So this is how you can play around with all external files like Excel, CSV, database, and also you can pull the content using Cypress. And again, pulling the content is not possible with this. This will only check, but if you want to pull the content from Excel and input into your Cypress test cases, you still need to use these plugins. So 99% these plugins only will come to handy to get the content from CSV or databases. This is just to validate if content is present in the file. That's all. So you have everything, guys. It's up to you. How do you want to use? But you have all the weapons needed to perform the perfect data-driven testing in Cypress. Okay. Thank you.